You've been told your whole life to stay positive, to believe the best in people, to hope, to trust, to smile. But let's be real for a second. How many times did that optimism protect you? How many times did it blind you? Because sometimes people who think the worst end up making the smartest decisions. That's not negativity, that's cynicism. And it might be your psychological armor in a world full of manipulation. What is cynicism really? Cynicism isn't about hating everyone. It's not bitterness, not walking around angry at the world. At its core, cynicism is a defense mechanism. It's a mindset that says, I'm not going to assume you have good intentions until you show me otherwise. And guess what? That's not toxic. That's cautious intelligence. Where cynicism comes from. Cynicism often develops after emotional betrayal, disappointment, or trauma. People don't wake up cynical. They evolve into it. Usually after trusting too much, giving too much, or being used too many times. It's the brain's way of saying, enough, not get hurt again. In psychology, it's linked to defensive pessimism, the idea of imagining worst-case scenarios as a way to prepare and protect yourself, and in moderation, that's powerful. Why cynicism can be useful. Cynical people are often harder to manipulate. Why? Because they don't fall for surface-level charm. They ask questions, they wait, they observe. Cynicism slows down blind trust. And in a world where fake gurus, gaslighters, and narcissists thrive on quick trust, that's a good thing. Cynicism can help avoid toxic relationships, spot red flags early, think critically instead of emotionally, see patterns others ignore. It gives you boundaries, the balance, when cynicism goes too far. But let's be clear, cynicism has a dark side too. Too much of it, and you stop trusting anyone. You isolate. You expect the worst constantly. You see betrayal even when there's love. That's when it turns from self-protection into self-sabotage. There's a difference between, I've been hurt before, so I'm careful, and everyone sucks and nobody deserves my trust. One is survival. The other is self-destruction. How to use cynicism intelligently. Here's how to make cynicism work for you, not against you. 1. Use it as a filter, not a wall. Ask questions, observe patterns, but don't block genuine connection. 2. Pair it with empathy. Just because you assume someone might have bad intentions doesn't mean they do. Remain human. Stay open to growth. 3. Trust actions, not words. Cynicism teaches you to look for behavior, not promises. Let people show you who they are. 4. Know when to lower the shield. Not everyone is out to get you. Learn when it's safe to be vulnerable again. Cynicism doesn't make you broken. It doesn't make you negative. It means you've seen enough to be cautious, and that's okay. But don't let the pain of the past ruin the potential of the present. Be sharp, be aware, be discerning. But don't forget, even in a world that often disappoints, some people are still worth trusting. Just make sure they prove it.